Welcome to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo's tutorial series for the Cal State Apply application. In this video, we will be talking about high schools attended entry. Let's get started. The high schools attended tile lives within the academic history quadrant. This is where you're going to add all high schools that you've attended either in person or virtually. Hit add a high school. To begin, you can start typing in the name of your city in the search box. And options should auto-populate, so you can narrow it down from there and select. Next, you're going to select the dates of attendance that you've attended that specific school. It's always going to open up to the month and year that you are currently working on it, so we'll have to go in the past for the beginning, and then down to the future for graduation. Next, we're going to spend a lot of time talking about term types. This can be a very tricky thing to actually determine for your school. This year, they've added in this really handy term type guide that talks about how your term type should be determined not by how your school breaks up the year, but by how many grades you receive for a full year's worth of credit. I've gathered some examples to show you that I think might be very helpful. Let's take a look at Union Mine High School. So initially, it looks like they would be on a quarter system. They've broken their year up into 4 separate sections. However, when you look to see how many grades are assigned for a year's worth of credit, it's only 2. So that means this is actually a semester system. Let's look at another one. Now this one is extra tricky. You can see that Slow High broke their year up into 3 sections, but within that, some of the courses get 2 grades and some get 3. So within this, they actually have concurrent term types where some are a true trimester system while some are a semester system. So students who go to this school need to add their high school in twice, once under semester system and once under trimester, and then add those specific courses under each version of their school. Next, for Mission Hills, let's look at 11th and 12th grade. So for 11th grade, they broke their year up into semester 1 and semester 2, but as you can see, students receive 1 grade for a year's worth of credit. So even though it looks like it's semester, it's actually going to be full year. Whereas for 12th grade, they changed back to actually a true semester system where they received 2 grades for a year's worth of credit. So they also have concurrent term types, just in a different format. Next, with Placer High School, they have what I call a mock semester system. So again, they've broken their year up into 2 separate sections. However, as you can see, there's 1 grade given for a full year's worth of coursework. So this entire school would be a full year term type. And last but certainly not least, the trickiest of them all, the Kate School in Carpinteria, has the triple term type thing happening, where they have some classes on a full year term type where you see that 1 credit, some on a semester where you see that 0.5 credit, and some on the elusive true trimester where you see that 0.33, where it's broken up into 3 different sections for a year's worth of credit. So these students would actually be adding their school in 3 times with 3 different term types. So back to the application. Once we have our correct term type, we have our school entered, we hit Save This School. We have our list and we can add from there. Once you have all of them added, you do need to designate exactly which school you will be graduating from and receiving your diploma from and the date and month of that. And then you would hit Save and Continue. If you have any questions about adding a high school, please don't hesitate to reach out to our office and we'd be happy to work with you to make sure that you have all of this in here correct. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful. Good luck with your application.